Welcome once again to Chemistry Tutorials with Tutor Taye Emmanuel Oyedun. And we are going to be solving this question in this class. The equation below represents one of the reactions of alkenes. Here you have the equation. Determine the formula of X. That's the first question we are solving. And the homologous series that X belongs to. Okay. What type of reaction does the equation represent? And then we have to calculate the volume of ethene at standard temperature and pressure that would be obtained from 0.100 moles of the reactant, which is C17H36. And we are given the gas molar volume to be 22.4 dmK, which represents the volume of 1 mole of the gas at STP. So let's solve this question. Here is the equation. We have C17H36 to produce 3 moles of ethene, octane, and X. So what would X be? Very, very simple. All we need to do is to ensure that the equation is balanced. In other words, the number of carbons must amount to 17 in total. The number of hydrogen must amount to 36. That is, from the product side, the number of carbon must be 17 and the number of hydrogen must be what? 16. So let's go. How many carbon is here now? Remember we have 3 here. So 3 times 2, that's 6, right? So you have 6 carbon. So 6 plus 8, that's 14. So how many would be left? If I remove 14 from 17, I will have 3. Are you getting it? Okay, because 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 8, that's 14. So I'm left with what? 17 minus 14, which I added up here, we give 3. So for the hydrogen, 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 18, that's 30. 36 minus 18, that's H6. Means X is what? C3H6. And of course, this is what? This is propene. So what homologous series does it belong to? It belongs to the alkene series. Okay? So that was the solution to the first question here. The second one says, what type of reaction does the equation represent? Of course, this is a higher alkene and it's been broken down to all these substances. Definitely the reaction is cracking of higher alkenes, or just simply quote cracking. Just cracking. That is still also correct. Then the third one, you have to calculate now stoichiometry. Calculate the volume of ethene at STP that would be obtained from 0.100 moles of the reactant C17H36, that's heptadecane. Okay? So now, from the reaction, we could see that 1 mole of the reactant will produce 3 moles of ethene, right? Isn't it? So, and the volume of a gas at STP is 22.4 dmK. That means 1 mole of this, of the reactant, will produce 3 times 22.4 dm cube of ethene. So 0.100 moles will produce X dm cube. So we cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you now have what? You have 1 times X equals to 0.100 times this 3 times 22.4. Definitely X is equals to 0.100 times 3 times 22.4, all divided by 1. So what should that give us now? That will now give us, you press that from the calculator, 0.100 times 3 times 22.4, that is 6.72. Because we divide by 1, that's still the same answer. 6.72 dm cube. So this is how we are going to solve this particular question. Please kindly subscribe to our channel and follow our social media page for more tutorials like this. Thank you. See you in the next class.